Okay, number 2. So for this question, we are starting 1 foot off the ground, and then the highest point it says is 99 feet above the ground. So in your graph, we are looking for a trig equation for the height above the ground at t seconds after the ride starts. So then we're looking at how long it takes you to get to the highest point on the Ferris wheel. So for this one, we're looking for the highest point. So again, you can use sine or cosine. It doesn't specify, but I gave you different options here that I used. So for your graph, first again, if I'm starting 1 foot off the ground, here it is, then I know that my amplitude is going to be 49. So first, my highest point is 99. So the way that you find this midline, you take the average here. So once you take the average, you can find what your midline will be. So then I know the difference between 50 and 1 is 49, and 50 and 99 is 49. So that's your amplitude. Let's find my period. So 1 full revolution is 30 seconds. So my period is 30 seconds, but I have to find what b is. So b is, we say 2 pi over b equals 30. Solving this for b, I get b equals pi over 15. So I leave c blank because it depends on which equation you use. So d, my vertical shift is 50. So looking at these equations, I first started with negative cosine. So we have negative 49 cosine b, which is pi over 15. So if I start at that, I'm starting at my minimum here, which is your negative cosine. So from that, I have no phase shift, so here's my equation. Again, also, my intervals, if my period is 30, I break that up by dividing by 4, so we get 7.5. So that's where the 7.5 is coming from there. So now, when we do this, let's look at positive sine. So positive sine starts with intercept maximum. So I go intercept maximum here. So my phase shift is 7.5. So same thing applies, but you're just filling in your C and your phase shift, which is minus 7.5. So there's a couple more equations here that you can look at, and all of those are correct. And then the question is, how long will it take you to get to the highest point on the Ferris wheel? So it tells me my highest point is at 99 feet. So at 99 feet, that is 15 seconds.